Oh, what's that right there? That's the bear. Fresh, coming down. Look at that. See that bear? Fresh. It might be jumped, dude. I just seen its track fresher than can be. Monday morning. It's my last day to go hunting before I'm going back to Mississippi. So it's about 4:15. Going to pick up Brian. Tanner's gonna meet us, and then we're gonna meet up with Braxton and go hunting. Ideally, find a bear or a lion. Doesn't really matter. Just want to chase something today. So it's supposed to be pretty cold. Actually, it's like 25 degrees up there this morning. I'll take that for being May in southern Utah. Stay tuned, baby. No Maverick burrito. Oh, dude, you got the sandwiches. You're good.
These things suck.
Dude, come on. Look, right here. That's where it's at. You never had it?
Sketchy to me.
That's better than the burrito.
Freaking French toast is.
It's good. Just try it. Try it. No, straight up. I used to have those always.
I'll look just like that too. Big old piles of shit everywhere. That's what my whole house looked like this morning.
Nice. Oh yeah, boys, we're loaded up and we are on the mountain.
Yeah, buddy.
Where anything is possible. Endless possibilities.
Let's call her up.
All right, hear that? It's about to get serious. Oh, baby! Rigging time. We are going, there's about 100% chance we're gonna rig.
Something.
Yep, exactly. Let's go.
How'd you get the name SZA? The rapper SZA.
You don't know the rapper SZA?
Oh, no.
Yeah.
I was thinking maybe she got like scissor kicked.
No, the rapper. The rapper. Looks like a Sasquatch scratch.
Ready.
Sasquatch for sure. Yeah, that's true.
Hush.
Might be a false alarm. We'll see. It's getting a little tough to hang back there. Whoa. Let her purr, baby! Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! All right, turn that off before someone gets hurt. Here's our situation. Can't turn around. And we got some good snowbanks over yonder. Probably not gonna get through them, so we might be backing back up this hill. We'll see. Well, we just started walking. No bears to be rigged. It's a little chilly. Yeah. The walk continues. Well, just out here walking logs, baby. Walking the beam. That's what we're doing. Dogs are running something. No idea what. But they're gone. Out here with the boys. Gonna have us a good time. Yes, sir. Left the Lunchable in the truck. Fixing to have a good day. What do you think, mister?
Big bear for sure. Got a bear going.
You can tell by the way it is.
Yeah. Because this is, how many times you been bear hunting?
First time, but it only takes one.
Yeah. I mean, a stash like that, look, anything you say with a little confidence.
Right. Goes a long ways. Long ways.
Yeah. I mean, I'd believe you. I do believe you, Flip. We're almost a mile out.
Yeah, buddy.
I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, heading to no man's land. But it's all right. We're just going to roll with it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Running a bear. Running a bear. That's what. I think we got her jumped. Oh, yeah. We got it jumped, baby. Jump bear. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, buddy.
Brian, I think we got it jumped.
Where Remy's at, or?
Oh yeah, they're making some noise.
How big of a hole's that in?
Oh yeah, just bring that baby right back. Bring it right down here.
That'd be ideal.
That would be awesome. That ain't no elk, son.
No.
I don't know, whatever's happening, there's something that's just been all over. Look at her, she's cruising right there. Well, we think it's a little bear, and we're getting whooped right now. Running us all over into itself, and now it's not looking so good. But we're trying still. Alright, little YouTube update. We got whooped. Bears definitely jumped. And it just been all over. And whooped us. Hey! Yeah. They're still fired up. Anyways. I think we had one dog that maybe figured out where it left, but just going really in no man's land, and we'd have to walk a mile to pack the rest of them to that dog. So we're gathering up, and we're just gonna go find us a different one elsewhere. Well, we're walking out of here, and Dixie, Remy, and Daisy just struck something. Braxton's up the hill 500 yards, and I think I'm gonna see a track right here. Bear track. Bear track, Bax. Bear track, son.
Really?
Yep, looking at it in the snow.
Hell yeah.
Is the cavalry coming?
They're coming.
Oh, yeah.
Good size one, yeah?
Yeah, not bad. Back in the saddle, baby. Back in the saddle. Well, I got bear tracks going both ways. That one's coming up, that one's going down. Which is where? That's the question. I don't know. Down maybe, look. Looks like it steps in itself right there. And toes are going down. Oh, that's the case. That's the way we're going. Hey, just when you think the day might be over, it's only beginning, baby. Let it rip. Bear left and went up the hill that way. We got like 500 yards. The front, and they're just kind of paralleling the hill now. They're gonna cross the trail right in front of me. getting real, baby. It's getting real. Oh, what's that right there? That's the bear. Fresh, coming down. Look at that. See that bear? Fresh. It might be jumped, dude. I just need its track fresher than can be. Oh yeah, dude. I bet you it's jumped.
That's crazy. Okay, where's that spot where we were last year? That's pretty good.
We went ice skating. Tanner was cussing.
I thought there was a freaking bear behind us.
Max. Oh, you'd have been got for sure because you fell.
100 yards from him.
All right, fresh bear. We currently have 4 dogs on it. Well, we got a lot of dogs on it. 4 dogs. Remy, Daisy, Mag. 5 dogs. Remy, Daisy, Mag, Tuck, Dixie. Then these dogs are all coming down here. Brian was 500 yards that way, sending us Mowgli. That's gonna put the heat on it. And Mitzi and Queen. Hey, 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 hey! Mitzi! Hey! Mitzi! There goes Mowgli, baby. The cavalry's coming. Oh yeah, we ain't done yet, sir.
Did you hit it right here in this canyon?
Not sure what's going on. Yeah, like, I don't know, 3/4 mile. We were just walking down the trail. Dixie struck it. Woo!
That's good for her.
And then they ran down the trail like, I don't know, 600 yards, then went up the hill, and then came back down. They went up the hill, trailed a ways, then dropped back down. And when I seen its track down, it was like in the mud, like on the run. All right. Bear came, made a big loop.
Huh?
Just climbed up.
Oh.
Big ledge. Daisy's figuring it out. But we're going up there to see if we need to help him up it. The rest are slowly coming. Oh, ouch. It just got 0 to 100 real fast. We'll see. Bear crawled right up here. Daisy made it. Here, dogs, here. Here. Here it is, here it is, here it is. Steep terrain, baby. Here it is, dogs, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Right there. Go get him, Dixie. There you go, buddy. Old veteran Daisy figured it out 10 minutes ago. Sending in some reinforcements.
They need help on that bear. They're like stuck right there.
Yeah, they need to figure that out. This bear's just been crossing its tracks, running up and down these canyons.
Hi, Tanner.
And yeah, he's just behind me a ways. Anyways, we're on him. Some nasty stuff and some not in shape dogs, but cool weather. Hopefully we can keep at it. Let's get this baby caught. Well, made the truck. Thing's lifesaver. Dogs are still going. Hopefully we can get the thing shut down. What's the vibe, boys? Huh?
Hi. We're gonna kill it. We're gonna catch this thing.
What do you think, Tanner?
I don't know whoever's Powerade this is. I'm drinking some.
It's mine.
Right here level.
Yeah, but they're gonna have to cross the road. No, they're still.
you?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't.
Oh, let Slim out. Tanner, let that dog out. Let's see, we should see a track.
Dixie, come here.
She wants it.
Dixie, look, right here. Hell no.
Nope. We got a job to do. Let's find that track, man. What are you doing, bro? Yeah, I'm not sure what that's all about.
This sucks. We're running a bear, but this sucks.
I mean, it's legit snowing right now. Look at that. It's almost May. Well, we were treed. Tanner, what do you think? About to go see your first bear.
Let's do it.
In a snowstorm. It literally just snowed an inch. I think the bear started getting snowed on and thought, this is stupid. I'm gonna climb up a tree and hopefully I can crawl back in a hole and go back to sleep.
Probably climbed in his
It
den.
probably is in a hole. Hope not. But anyways, yeah, we got like a 1.3 mile and a quarter to walk up this canyon, and then they're like 300 yards out of the canyon. Yeah, there's literally almost an inch of snow on the ground right now. It's still snowing. This is ridiculous. I hope we have a lighter. Okay, you need to like try to just come this way. You need to try to just come this way so Brian can get by. Just like back up. Yeah, just park and we'll flip around when we get back. Yeah, now straighten her up. Yeah, he can get by that. This is not what we called for, boys. Hey, let's see how far we can get in your truck. You there?
Yeah, no, that's fine. I mean,
They're a mile.
yeah,
You got 'em?
We can winch in that stuff
Dude,
up there.
I think
but-
there's a sweatshirt in here. You don't have a lighter, do you?
Yeah.
I mean, not that we're gonna hang out up there, but you just never know. We'll bring it just in case. All right. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, buddy. Woo, go to the victory! It's in that tree, whatever it is. Go with these. Go. Oh yeah. Good dogs. Good dogs. Good girl, mate. Good dogs. Good dogs. Bear in the air. Yeah, buddy. Good dogs. Not looking at you, girl. How's that you're looking? Good dogs. Good dogs. Good girl, Dixie. Good girl, Queen. First bear, what do you think, bud? You can see its face, huh? Ran the socks off that one. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Good dogs. Good girl, Days. What a day. What a day, son. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure I can see it. It's goods. Really? Wiener's hanging out. Pretty good boar. Pretty good dog work. Long ways. Yeah, buddy. It is almost 3:30. Dogs trade probably at 2:30. And we kicked him loose at like 8 probably. Got him, son. First bear tree for old team money. 100 for Brad.
First one back in from you, Florida.
Brooke is the good luck charm. Bunch of ounce-shaped dogs. Getting it. While being snowed on. We'll take it. Yeah, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hi there. Hey. All right, dogs, let's go. Come on, let's go. Hey, let's go. We're done. Daisy, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Hey, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Queen, let's go. We're done. We're done. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, hey. Let's go. Nancy, come on. Let's go, dogs. Let's go. Let's go. Good dogs. Let's go. Good dogs. Good dogs.
Go.
I'm thinking just hit that bottom.
Go.
Well, almost back to the truck and all of our snow is gone.
It's snowing again.
And it's snowing again.
It's all the same video.
It's all the same video. Doesn't look like it. We've had all 4 seasons today. Oh yeah, the good stuff. Some H2O, baby. Get some, yeah. Get some.